Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about the universal selector in CSS. The universal selector is a special type of selector in CSS that selects all elements in an HTML document. It is denoted by an asterisk and can be used to apply styles to all elements in a document, regardless of their tag or class. Let's take a closer look. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to add the code to your index.html file, as well as create a separate file called styles.css in a CSS folder. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Hey, in the styles.css file, let's clear out the styles from the previous video and add a style using the universal selector. In the browser, you should see that all the text on the page is now green. And that's really it for the universal selector in CSS. It's a simple but powerful tool that can save you a lot of time and effort when you're styling your HTML documents. Be careful though, as it can also apply styles to elements you might not have intended. Remember that the universal selector has the least specificity, so any other selector with conflicting declarations will override it. The universal selector is typically used for overriding the default browser styles. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.